Welcome to this exciting new video where we're going to introduce you to an incredible trading strategy that you simply cannot afford to miss. There are many different strategies out there that use the VWAP indicator, but the one we're about to teach you in this video is one of the best you'll find. It's called the Fade to VWAP strategy. This powerful trading strategy uses two free trading view indicators that work in conjunction with the VWAP, telling you exactly when to buy and sell with precision and accuracy. It's the most accurate VWAP buy-sell indicator strategy, and it has given traders insane percentages of profitable trade signals. This approach is perfect for traders of all levels as it eliminates the need to make emotional decisions and allow you to trade like a professional. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to implement this strategy into your own trading routine and start seeing incredible results. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the Fade to VWAP strategy and how it can help you to achieve success in your trading endeavors. So I'm in Trading View, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. You've likely heard the term VWAP used by traders, and this refers to a moving average indicator called the volume weighted average price. The VWAP is displayed as a moving average line on a chart, and this line tracks the price value traded over the total volume, usually on an intraday chart. It also provides a context of the price trend depending on where the stock is trading in relation to the VWAP line. A market trading above the VWAP indicates an uptrend and vice versa on a downtrend. And as you can see, we have two more indicators on the chart. I'll quickly cross these out and add these indicators one by one so I can explain how they work and how to take maximum advantage of them. Indicators setup. If you also want to trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, then take a look at the exchange BitGet. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can even use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. You can find the link to BitGet below this video. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to monitor multiple cryptocurrencies at once. BitGet is giving away a one-time deposit bonus of up to $3,999. Press the link below this video to sign up. So first of all, let's our first and main indicator to the chart. In the Indicators tab, we will search for Volume Weighted Average Price, and then add this indicator that you can see under the technical section. As we can see, this tool consists of 3 bands: the middle, upper, and lower bands. In most cases, when the market is trading inside the bands, it indicates a range. And for our strategy, the most optimal place to enter the market is when the price is above or below the band. So the best place to buy will be when the price is below the VWAP. However, how can we make sure that we're buying or selling at the change of the price's momentum? As we know, timing is everything, so we should not take trades without confirmation of a trend change. So in order to make sure that we enter the market at the right time, we need to apply the next indicator to the chart. So in the search bar of the Indicators tab, we will search for the Turtle Trade Channel indicator. Make sure you select this one by Kivance Osbilgic. This indicator requires some modifications to work. So for that, we will access its settings, and in the Style section, uncheck these options. We will not need them in our strategy, and they just make the chart harder to read. So after you have carefully unchecked all these options, access the Input section and change the entry length to 12. After this is done, we will add our final and third indicators to the chart. So again, we will open the Indicators tab and search for Wada Adder Explosion, and add this indicator by Cheyenne KN. We will change some settings for this indicator also. In the Style section, uncheck the Dead Zone Line option. Then we will make the explosion line more prominent and visible on the chart. And change the opacity of color 0 of downtrend to 0. And do the same for color 0 of the uptrend. Make sure you carefully follow these instructions. So after this is done, this is going to be it. Now that our chart is set, let's see how we can open profitable buy and sell signals through this strategy. By the way, if you guys want buy and sell trade signals for free, join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. Buy trade rules. So for a buy trade to be valid, 3 conditions must be in place. First of all, the price action must be positioned below the VWAP bands. This means that the candlestick bar should be closed below the lower VWAP band. Then for the first confirmation, the indicator must print a long entry label when the market is below the VWAP bands. And for the final confirmation, at the time the signal is issued, a green bar must be present on the Wada-Hatter explosion indicator. And it also needs to break above the explosion white line, as it did here. Once all these conditions are met, we can place a buy order. So I will quickly open a buy position here. Our stop loss will be set below the recent swing low for this strategy. And the take profit target will be set at least 2 times the risk. Now let's see if the market will hit our target or not. And after some time, the market has hit our target. Now let's go through one more example of a buy trade so that you guys can understand the strategy properly and no confusion are left. So here we have got a buy signal, and the market is below the VWAP bands. The next thing we will do is look at the WADA explosion indicator for confirmation. And as we can see, we got a green bar, and the bar is above the white line. So these are all the conditions that should be fulfilled. So I'll open a buy position here, and let's see how it will turn out. And after some time, we can see the trade was successful. Now that we have a good knowledge of how to open buy trade through this strategy, let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade. Sell trade rules. So the rules for a sell trade are exactly the opposite. First of all, we will wait for the price to break above the VWAP bands. And after that, we will wait for the indicator to print a sell signal when the price is above the VWAP bands. And finally, at the time the signal is issued, the Wada-Hatter indicator must be red, and the bar also needs to break above the white explosion line. I hope you have understood the rules, so I opened a sell position here. The stop loss for sell trade will be set at the recent swing high, and the risk to reward ratio will be the same, 2 to 1 at least. We can see the market was in profit, and after some time it hit the take profit target, making this a profitable sell trade. If you also want buy and sell trade signals like these for free, make sure to join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. Now let's go through one more example of a sell trade, so there is no confusion left. Here we can see the market is above the VWAP bands, and we got a sell signal. So we will immediately look below to see if the bar is red and above the white line. And as we can see, both the conditions are fulfilled here. So we will open a buy position here and follow the money management rules. Overall, this is a very good strategy, and I would recommend you guys backtest it on whatever market you like to trade on and share the results in the comments. If you guys have found this video to be beneficial, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.